Come test drive the 2019 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, front wheel drive. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.